Hello viewers, in this video I will show you a simple method using which you can write table of 11 to 20 in just 5 minutes. But before I explain the method, there are a few requirements. The first one is you should know the count from 1 to 200, which I'm sure you know. The second requirement is you should be able to spend 5 minutes to write the tables. And the third one is to subscribe this channel. And I'm sure you have already done that. Now let's get started. The first step is to draw a 10 by 10 table, means draw a grid of 10 rows and 10 columns as shown here. The second step is to write numbers from 11 to 20 in the first row. The third step is to write numbers from 1 to 10 on the right side of the table as I have written. The fourth and the last step is to apply a method which I call step count method. Now I'll explain this method, and using which you should be able to write the tables for 11 to 20 in 5 minutes time. So let's start writing the tables now. The first thing we have to do is to write numbers from 1 to 10 in the first column. Now write the same number in the second decimal place as I have written. Only for the 10th number, just write 1. Now this completes the table of 11. Now let's apply my step count method. For this, I come to second row and select the first number, which is 22 here. So my step count method says that you select the number and count forward the number of steps written on the right side of the table. As here it is 2, so we will count 2 steps forward from 22, which will be 24. So I'm writing 24 in the next column in the same row. Now we'll need to select 24 and count 2 steps forward, which will give us 26. So write 26 and again select this and count 2 steps forward, we will get 28. In the similar fashion, fill all the values in this row. After the entire row values are filled, we will come down to the next row and apply the same method. So here we need to select 33 and count 3 steps forward to it. So it will be 36. So write 36, then again 3 steps forward will give 39. Similarly, fill all the values. Now I hope you have understood how this method works, right? So let's fill the value for one more row selecting 66. For this row, the step count is 6. So select 66 and count 6 more steps forward, which will be 72. Right? 72. Again, 6 more steps forward will give 78. And similarly, fill rest of the values. So after applying this method for the entire rows, your table will be filled with all the values. That's all. Your table of 11 to 20 is completed. You can use this method to write other numbers table also. Check my other videos to learn another techniques to write tables of 1 to 10. I have mentioned the link in the description below. I will share few more methods to write tables in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done that. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.